Hello there. The Bear and the Bees is a fable bedtime story for kids and English learners at the A2 level and shares a moral about self-control. The Bear and the Bees by Aesop. A bear roaming the woods in search of berries happened on a fallen tree in which a swarm of bees had stored their honey. The bear began to nose around the log very carefully to find out if the bees were at home. Just then, one of the swarm came home from a clover field with a load of sweets. Guessing what the bear was after, the bee flew at him, stung him sharply, and then disappeared into the hollow log. The bear lost his temper in an instant and sprang upon the log tooth and claw to destroy the nest. But this only brought out the whole swarm. The poor bear had to take to his heels, and he was able to save himself only by diving into a pool of water. The lesson in this: it's wiser to bear a single injury in silence than to provoke 1,000 by flying into a rage.